In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add audio files and sound effects using CapCut on desktop. Adding audio and sound effects on CapCut PC is crucial because they significantly enhance viewer engagement and storytelling. High-quality audio and well-placed sound effects can convey emotions, build tension, and provide context, making the content more captivating and professional. To do this, simply head into your CapCut. To import a video from your files, simply tap right here on Import and then choose a video will get added just like mine right here. To add an audio file to your video, simply tap on Audio. In the section of Music, you can either add these existing songs or extract audio from a video. You will just have to drag any preferred song down below your video. To change or remove this added audio, simply right-click and select on Delete for the added audio to get removed. It's the same case on sound effects. You will just have to head into Sound Effects. Drag any effect of your own choice. You can trim it to what you really want. To remove it, simply right-click and select on Cut. That's how easy it is to add audio files and sound effects using CapCut on PC. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.